Right, here we have a tricky algebra question in our series of how to get a grade 9 in GCSE maths. And we've got to multiply this fraction by this fraction and take away this fraction. Now remember, in BODMAS we must do the multiplication before the subtraction. But also what you should remember is every time you have an algebraic fraction you should try and factorise to start off with. So let's factorise the middle fraction. So this whole thing is going to be the same as 1 over 3x minus 2 times, now 9x squared minus 4 is 3x minus 2 times 3x plus 2. All over. Now I'm going to hazard a guess, as the 3x minus 2 is going to cancel out with this, I'm going to guess there might be a 3x plus 2 as a factor here to speed up my factorisation process, and therefore I'm going to get 3x times x to get the 3x squared. To get the plus 2 I must need minus 5 here, and minus 5 times 3x is minus 15x, plus the 2x gives me minus 13x, minus 7 over x minus 1. So what we got here is we can see because this is a times here, so effectively we got this times this, so let's just put that all into one fraction, and we get 1 times all of that is 3x minus 2 over times 3x plus 2 all over 3x minus 2 times 3x plus 2 times x minus 5. Now you can only cancel common factors, but we do have a common factor. We have a common factor. You've got this times the whole at the top, and you've got this times the whole at the bottom. So we can cancel those out. And we've got another common factor. We've got this times the whole of the top and this times the whole of the bottom. So we can cancel out those two. So we're just left with 1 times on the top. And we've got minus 7x minus 1. Now, to add these two or take away, we need to get a common denominator. We've got a denominator of x minus 5 here and x minus 1 here. So times top and bottom of this one by x minus 1 times top and bottom of this one by x minus 5. And we get x minus 1 over x minus 1 times x minus 5 minus 7 times on top and bottom of this by x minus 5. We get x minus 5 over x minus 5. Times x minus 1, sorry, got to remember that. And now we can add them. So we got equals x minus 1 minus 7x minus 7 times 5, so that's going to give me plus 35, all over x minus 1 times x minus 5. Don't forget that bracket there. And then we've got x minus 7x is minus 6x, minus 1 plus 35 is plus 34, all over x minus 1 times x minus 5. And we could factorise out the top, and then most we could take out as a factor of 2, and that leaves us with 3x plus 17, which is not going to cancel the bottom, so there is no need to go any further. So this is our final answer.